Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB in Coinbase Wallet. First, understand that Coinbase Wallet is a separate self-custody application, not the Coinbase exchange. You'll need to have funds like Ethereum or another compatible cryptocurrency already in your wallet. It's important to note that you cannot directly purchase BNB within the Coinbase Wallet app itself. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps. Since direct purchase isn't an option, you'll use the D-app browser within your Coinbase wallet. Navigate to a decentralized exchange or DEX that supports BNB. Here, you can swap an existing cryptocurrency you hold like Ethereum for BNB. Remember to account for network transaction fees and potential price slippage during the swap process to ensure a smooth transaction. Another effective method is to purchase BNB on a centralized exchange. Platforms like Binance or KuCoin allow you to buy BNB directly. Once acquired, you can then transfer your BNB from that exchange to your Coinbase wallet. It's crucial to confirm you're using the correct network, such as the BNB Smart Chain, to avoid any loss of funds during the transfer. Always prioritize security by double-checking all wallet addresses before confirming any transfers. Understanding the different BNB networks, like BEP20 and BEP2, is also vital for successful transactions. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Staying informed and cautious will help ensure your crypto journey is secure and successful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.